We'll guide you through how to make a group chat on Snapchat. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a group chat is super useful because it means you can go and have multiple different Snapchat users in it and you can all talk together, send each other photos and videos, so it's really cool. It could be a friendship group or another group of people, it doesn't matter. To go and do this, you need to come to the chat page like so. Now you need to go to the top right, and there you'll go and see 3 dots, which you need to go and tap on. And then you should go into the option for new group chat. Tap there, and you can now go and start selecting who you want to go and be in it. What you can then do is you can go and give it a name as well. And then when you're ready, you can tap on chat with group, and the new group will go and be made, as you can see. You can always go and add more members as well. Tap on the group name at the top and you can go and see some info here as well. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.